This video is designed to explain how the English language's 8 parts of speech, each with its distinct role, assist us in constructing grammatically correct sentences. Verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, preposition. A verb describes an action or experience. For example, run, walk, push, eat. Sophie ran to school because she was late. The verb in this sentence is ran. John loves to bake cookies. The verb in this sentence is bake. They pushed the car up the hill. The verb in this sentence is pushed. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, house, teacher, cup, shop. My teacher is a very nice person. The noun in this sentence is teacher. Amy is going to go on holiday to China. There are 2 nouns in this sentence. The first noun is Amy because it's a person's name. The second noun is China because it is the name of a place. The house on the hill is beautiful. The noun in this sentence is house. An adjective describes or modifies a noun. For example, beautiful, tall, red. The red apple is sweet. The adjective in this sentence is red. He is a tall man. The adjective in this sentence is tall. She wore a beautiful dress. The adjective in this sentence is beautiful. An adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, quickly, very, here. She runs quickly. The adverb in this sentence is quickly. He is very tall. The adverb in this sentence is very. They are waiting here. The adverb in this sentence is here. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. For example, he, they, it. George is my friend. He is very kind. The pronoun in this sentence is he, replacing George. The children are playing. They are happy. The pronoun in this sentence is they, replacing the children. The dog is cute. It is very friendly. The pronoun in this sentence is it, replacing the dog. An interjection expresses emotion or a sudden feeling. For example, oh, wow, hey. Wow, that's amazing. The interjection in this sentence is wow. Oh no, I forgot my keys. The interjection in this sentence is oh no. Hey, watch out. The interjection in this sentence is hey. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, because. I want to go to the park, but it's raining. The conjunction in this sentence is but. She likes to swim and run. The conjunction in this sentence is and. He stayed home because he was sick. The conjunction in this sentence is because. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in, on, at. The book is on the table. The preposition in this sentence is on. She lives in a small village. The preposition in this sentence is in. We will meet at the park. The preposition in this sentence is at. Learning the basics of parts of speech can be a stepping stone to better understanding English. Practice them in your everyday speech and writing to become proficient in forming grammatically correct sentences. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more content like this, and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.